Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. I am on day 33 of the Carnivore Diet. I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan and track my progress. Today um, I feel like flipping the table over on all of this. I feel like eating a whole bag of chips, a bucket of dip, a whole bunch of vegetables. I feel like eating a giant salad. I feel like drinking an entire bottle of wine. I feel like having bagels and cream cheese. It's just a stressful day. Being a business owner is tough. You know, I'm not sure how to deal with the stress of it all. And a lot of times when a person's stressed, carbs actually are the immediate answer, aren't they? Want to have the carbs because it feels good in the moment. So, yeah, it's been one of those days. I'm 53 years old and I'm supposed to be a, a content creator online, you know, all of the platforms and so on. And it took me an hour and a half to make one reel on Instagram. And now I'm completely stressed out. I made it, then deleted it, made it, delete about 4 times. And listen, I spent 35 years in television. I was I did everything in operations in television, even managed operations. I directed, I edited, I did some graphics, not really, but I did audio, sound, and the sound on this reel was not perfect. So I kept deleting it and then redoing it, and then it wasn't perfect. So then I deleted it again and added it again. And listen, this whole social media thing is completely different than traditional broadcasting. And listen, I'm embracing the whole digital world nowadays. I think it's very exciting. I think a person can make a living at it. It's just a learning curve for me because I'm old. Anyways, so I had pan fried trout for lunch with lots of butter and salt, and I had 2 egg omelet with a little bit of goat cheese in the center. So that was good. And then just now I just had some cottage cheese and ham. I'm going off the rails again, probably because of the stress level. But I'm trying. I'm trying to stay on track. I'm really trying. Uh, there's something to be said for stress that kind of halts the progress. I think the heightened level of cortisol in the body really affects your nervous system and the ability to lose weight, the ability to sleep. So I need some kind of stress management, a little bit better than what I've been doing lately. I'm still on the upward trajectory. I still feel like I'm like on the way up, but I'm like, like that. Yeah. So I hope you all are doing great, like better than me today. Today I'm like, ha. Uh, but no, I hope you're doing great. Please let me know how you're doing. I know some of you are on this journey as well. Some of you are curious. You know what? For me right now, it's not easy. but that is okay. No, I'm gonna stay the course and finish up this lifestyle. I think all in all, it is benefiting me. I'll have to realign myself with the whole goal uh, tomorrow morning when I set my intentions in the morning, like I do every day. All right. Happy day 33. It's uh it's a challenging day, but that's fine. So, I'll talk to you tomorrow.